So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in HUAWEI MatePad T5. So the first one, Firefox. Just open new tab like here and click on the arrow mask. If the background is purple, that means you are in the incognito mode. The next one, Microsft Edge. Click on the three-line button in the right upper corner and choose New in Private tab. That's it. I think I have to clear the background apps because it's getting slower. Okay, now the Opera. Click on the tab icon. Switch to private and click on the plus. That's it. And the last one, Google Chrome. Tap on the three-dot icon or arrow icon and choose Incognito tab. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.